Okay class, today we are doing math. Jeffy, what is 9 plus 999,999?
The answer is 0.
That is wrong, Jeffy. Caillou, what is the answer to 9 plus 999,999?
The answer is, you're stupid.
Caillou, how dare you say that to me? That's it. Go to the principal's office.
Man, I don't want to go to the principal's office. I want to get revenge on Miss Martin for sending me there. I know. I will pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. There is the fire alarm. Time to pull it.
Oh no. It's the fire alarm that goes off. We need to evacuate.
Miss Martin, I just saw Caillou pull the fire alarm on the security camera. And there is no fire. I was sitting in my office watching the security and I saw him do it. Call the police while I send him to my office right now.
Okay, I will call the police. Caillou is so fucking arrested forever.
Good. Caillou, come to my office right fucking now. You are in so much trouble. GGGGGGGRRRR. I saw you pull the fire alarm on the security camera when there was no fire. The police of this. Miss Martin has called the police and they are coming to arrest you right now. Shut up. Also, you are expelled from 99999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999. Now let's wait for the police to come. You are under arrest, little boy. I will take you to jail.
This is your cell with no bed, no TV, no video games, and no nothing except for the toilet. You are sentenced to this cell for 50,000 years. Now you need to go to sleep on the toilet now. I forgot to mention, you have some visitors.
Cut. Here you fucking pull the fire alarm and get arrested. You should have known that that's illegal. Now you are sentenced to jail for a long time. And you deserve it.
Beyond poop animations, why are you here and not my parents?
That is because your parents are at a conference at their new job at the fire department as firefighters about how annoying it is when stupid brats named Caillou pull the fire alarm for no reason. They are so mad at you. Also, their job is forcing them to pay $99 billion for what you did because they told your parents that since they are firefighters, they were supposed to educate their children to not pull the fire alarm. So your parents told me to come to ground you with your sister instead.
Caillou, I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm and got arrested and now our parents have to pay $99 billion because of you.
Once you get out of jail, you will be grounded for 46 septillion years.
Triple 8A.